Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify your income with Robinhood, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To verify your income with Robinhood, begin by opening the Robinhood app on your device. Log in to your account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings by tapping on the account icon in the bottom right corner. Scroll down to the account information section. Look for the option labeled Income Verification and select it. You may be prompted to enter some basic personal information. Fill in your employment status and job title as requested. Next, input your annual income in the designated field. If applicable, provide details about any additional sources of income. After entering your information, review everything for accuracy. Once you confirm that your details are correct, submit your income verification request. Wait for a notification about the status of your verification. This process may take a few moments, so be patient. You will receive information regarding the outcome of your verification via the app. If needed, you can go back and update your income information at any time. Ensure your profile remains accurate to facilitate future transactions and services. That concludes the process of verifying your income with Robinhood. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.